Hello fellas, today I have something not usual in my shop. It's a beat box, beat by Dr. Dre, and the problem with this one is when you're adjusting the sound it goes down, then you leave it and it goes up. So I think it will be the potentiometer of the sound. Of course we need to disassemble it, and someone has started doing that, so I'm removing the front cover and you can see the clips here. Sorry, when I lifted it, my light is here. Okay. So then we have the screws on the front and we have two screws here. I will unscrew these screws first, if I will find my screwdriver. Now we have some screws here. Okay, it seems that all the screws is removed, so now I need to lift it a little bit, so we'll use the screwdriver. Just grab it. Gently lifting it up, and now we can see our potentiometer. I will adjust the camera. Yeah, and I think that this one is full, so I need to remove the knob. I will push it out a little bit. As you can see, it just removed by that, and I have two screws here. Okay. Lifting it up again. And we can see that this one is loose. Just disconnecting it. And what can we see here? We have the nut inside, and you cannot see what potentiometer it is. Of course, it goes with all the connection here. It's the connection here, the legs for the potentiometer. So definitely I need to unscrew this one, this nut, and remove the cover, because I need to see the part number or something to ask the part in the shop. Yeah, just lifting it, you can see it was like that. Okay, and I can see beat and key, so I hope that will be good, and that will help for the electronic part shop to find out what I need. So I will be back with replacing this one. Okay, now I have the replacement potentiometer, but it's a bigger one, so yeah, it will not fit perfectly, so I think I will bend the legs here. Yeah, it needs to be bended or something. I will try to do that. Yeah. Now it seems that it can be fitted, but I will try to clean the solder better. Okay, it seems that it can go in. Just trying to remove some solder. And yeah, basically it can move in, yep. But I'm not very happy with that. I need to think somehow. Of course, probably that will be good. Okay, we will try it and okay, now I have it upper than the old one was. The old one was like that, so I will check with this holder, I think, and it was something like that or like that. Yeah. So the other problem is that this one is wider than the previous one. And I had a problem by inserting it here in a plastic piece. Because maybe I can press it, but I think no, it's yeah, it's a bit wider here. What can we do here? I think I can try removing one of the housing legs and then it will go here, probably. Yep, and the old one was fitted nicely, and the bottom was here where the dot is. Basically I need to fit it somehow like that. Okay, I need to remove one of the legs. And the second one, of course, I will tighten it with a nut and it will hold good. Yeah, basically, so it must be fitted like that. Okay, yeah, it seems solid here, the connection good. Okay, so we can try to assemble it. And okay, now we have our part changed, so we need to find a bit for these screws. Okay, this one will be good, I think. Now we have our potentiometer, and yeah, we can try to fit it in. Just lifting everything, and basically now this one will go here and just like that, just making sure that it will fit, because now it's a little bit bigger, and I can adjust it. I will check by the holes here to get everything fitted. And I see that I need to turn everything here around, because yeah, it will not fit here. Yeah, now it will fit. And here was the screws for the plastic. One is in. And the second one is tightened, so now we can connect the button, and I want to check with the button. If it goes all around or not. Now we can see that we have it going from here to here, and basically I think that's good. It's almost getting around. Okay, so now we need to connect it. Okay, connected it, and now I need to test it. I cannot test it with the sound on a video because I did that with a radio. I fixed it and got a copyright strike from the song creators. So I will just test it and let you know what was the result. So in the result for the changing the potentiometer, that not help, the problem still exists. When you adjust the volume up or down, it just goes down on the volume and then gets to normal. So it needs the more fix inside of the electronics, and I don't know if I am capable to do that. So for this one, if you will watch it for the potentiometer replacement, then you will replace it by this video, and for other parts, I don't know, I will check, maybe I will go deeper into this beatbox. For now, thank you for watching, bye.